Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty tacos at home. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or turkey, and a packet of taco seasoning or individual spices such as chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder. Don't forget your tortillas, whether you prefer soft flour or crispy corn shells. Fresh toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese are also key for a delicious meal. Now let's cook that delicious filling. Brown your 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep your tacos light and flavorful. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water, letting it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the liquid reduces and the flavors meld perfectly. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble. Warm your tortillas in a dry skillet for about 15 seconds per side, or microwave them briefly until pliable. This makes them easier to fold and enhances their flavor. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of your seasoned meat into each tortilla. Then, pile on your favorite toppings like crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, and a generous sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Your amazing homemade tacos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with a dollop of sour cream and a side of your favorite salsa. For an extra burst of flavor, try adding some fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice. These simple steps ensure a fantastic taco night every time. Remember to check the description for a link to those handy leak-proof containers and other great deals to make your kitchen life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.